Okay, with the frame for the beds, this is to size and scale. My understanding, just a square opening now, not the decorative shape. So this large square represents the big opening. This is the lower opening, couple drawers below. This red line represents the bottom of the mattress there and how tall it is, about 3 inches of mattress exposed. Same thing here, about 3 inches exposed. From the top of the carpet to the top of this unit is 93 and 5/8. And from a side view, the ladder is 84 inches tall. Right there, that's a ladder angle. So the ladder does not go to the top. It lands in the middle of that big panel. And if the drawer is opened up all the way, if we make that ladder fixed, the drawer is going to hit the ladder. And I don't want that ladder against that paint because it'll mar it. But if we take the pine ladder, stain it and seal it, and make a pine bumper block here, just a strip maybe 4 inches tall to put on the front here to protect the wood, and that way any little scuffs won't show as much on this. That way the ladder can be moved around because it can't roll. It's on carpet. If we make it fixed, it's an issue with the drawers unless we make the drawer shallower, and then if it's fixed, vacuuming underneath of it, or if somebody grabs the bottom of the ladder and pulls it, it's going to break because it's like a giant pry bar, and it doesn't matter how we attach it up here, it just crack off. My 2 cents on how to do that with that strip here. That way the ladder can be moved around. But again, this is the size and scale, some shaker fronts on these big drawers. But if this layout is good with her and you guys, we can start cutting some boards. Thanks. Oh, and this won't fit with one piece, as I mentioned. So there'll be about an 1/8 inch seam right here. So we can get the devil in. Thanks, guys.